Welcome to the Choices Coach YouTube channel. I'm Sara Moser, and I just want to explain how this channel works. I basically create videos in fitness, faith, and food preparation in an attempt to help you achieve your overall wellness goals in terms of weight loss, strength training, and overall wellness lifestyle so that you can be stronger and healthier in mind, body, and spirit. And so basically for the fitness portion, you can create your own video workout playlist. From my videos, you can choose your own warm-up and then a few cardio dance or cardio high intensity interval training videos, maybe 2 to 3 depending on how much cardio you want to do that day, and then follow that up with your strength training. So I usually go chest and back, then legs and bar, if you like the bar videos. If you don't like bar, then you can always just do a legs workout using the weights. Then I follow that up with arms and then core training, which includes the abs and glutes, and then a cool down. Sometimes I'll do my cool down after all the cardio and before the strength training. It just depends on how you want to do that. And usually in the cool down there's a balance element to help you work on maintaining balance or increasing your balance. And then I follow that, all of that, with a deep stretch video, and so, or a final stretch video. So that's how I would suggest setting up your ideal workout playlist. Of course, you're going to have creative freedom here, so you can create totally different kinds of video workouts, playlists based on your time or your goals. So there might be a day where you just do cardio and you do your warm-up, a few cardio dance videos, or a few cardio high intensity a few cardio high intensity interval training videos. I have no idea why that was so hard to spit out. And then follow that up with your cool down and a final stretch for a faster workout. Or maybe you just do Monday, Wednesday, Friday strength training, and then you do your cardio Tuesday, Thursday, however you want to play it. So you can have creative freedom here by combining the videos off of Choices Coach into your own playlist. I of course have set up several video playlists that you can just use of mine that I think are great workouts. I even incorporate some of my favorite workouts from other YouTubers into some of those. And I have an array of different ones. So, a 30-minute workout playlist or a 50-minute to an hour workout playlist when you have more time. So you have creative freedom here to enjoy the journey. And then as far as the food videos, I've just started dabbling in some food prep videos, and I'm either doing food videos that are just what I feel inspired to eat that week, or also incorporating some of the recipes from my book, Choices Coach Weight Loss Menu Guide, that you can pick up off of Amazon. So I'm just gonna play it however it comes to me with that. But hopefully by producing some low calorie food option videos, it will inspire you to eat healthier and help you on your journey towards a healthier lifestyle. And then of course I have the faith training videos that I do every Tuesday that are just to feed the mind and to feed your spirit. So man cannot live on bread alone. We have got to also live on every word from the mouth of God. And for me personally, I do feel like the more I feed on the Word of God and get my instructions from Him, and the more that I foster my relationship and put that first, my relationship with the Lord, the more that I put that first, the less hungry I am, because the appetites of the flesh can never be satisfied. We have to die to that, and then there's sweet freedom in doing that we basically turn our lives over to Jesus Christ. And the more that we seek that relationship and draw closer to Him, we're not going to be hungry with voracious appetites that prevent us from conquering weight loss goals and living the abundant life. You know, that definitely, I feel like the spiritual part is a huge component towards living a happier, healthier life. That doesn't mean it's a life without suffering, but definitely a more abundant life, a more rewarding life that has joy in spite of circumstances. So I really feel that that's part of that. So I hope you enjoy that part of it too. But, you know, you do not have to be a believer to enjoy the fitness videos, to enjoy what I have to offer. I want everyone to feel welcome to just enjoy the channel and give me feedback, and I love to connect. So definitely feel free to leave comments and questions, and you know, if I can answer them, I will answer them, and if I can't, I'll let you know. I have no idea. I'm not a person that's afraid to say, I don't know. If I don't know, I'm gonna tell you I don't know. So enjoy the channel, and welcome, and thank you. Please subscribe. Please give me thumbs ups so that I can help more people and be higher in the YouTube algorithms, and God bless you.